Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful strawberry flavored cake with smooth icing and lovely two-tone rose. So let's get started. Take the middle slice first and place it at the bottom. Brush some sugar serum over it to keep it moist. Then spread a layer of whipping cream evenly and smooth it out gently. Now add some strawberry crush on the top of the cream. Spread it lightly. This gives the cake a lovely pink color and fruity taste. Next place the second slice over it. Press lightly and again apply sugar serum. Repeat the same step. First whipping cream, then strawberry crush. Now place the bottom slice on the top. Brush sugar serum all over so every part stays soft and juicy. Then cover the entire cake with whipping cream, top and sides, and smooth it nicely. This step is called crumb coating. It helps to seal all the crumbs and gives it smooth base for the final icing. After crumb coating, keep the cake in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour to set properly. Add a few drops of pink color to your cream. Mix it well. After 1 hour, take out the cake and start the final icing. Cover the cake with cream until it looks soft and glossy. Fill your piping bag with blue and baby pink cream together. Using a 2D nozzle, pipe beautiful roses around the tops. And that's it. Our gorgeous strawberry flavor cake with pink and blue roses is ready. It looks soft, creamy and so pretty. How did you like the design? Tell me know in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I will make soon with more new and easy cake design. Thank you for watching. Lots of love. Bye bye friends.